everyone, Leia Falcon here, and I have a special box from sci-fi author JN Chaney from his new book, 1-800 Starship. So, Mr. Chaney is a USA Times bestseller, along with the Dragon Award nominee. So, you know this is going to be some cool stuff in here. I'm excited to look and let y'all know what I think about it. So, it says right here, become a Nova Slinger today. Sign me up. I'm not even sure what a Nova Slinger is, but sign me up because that sounds exciting. It says, adventure is calling. Join the fight and save the universe. What? Let's do that. We can do that too. That's cool. Nova Slinger Corps, an elite group of galactic fighter pilots charged with defending the universe. Okay, so far I'm hyped up about this. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. First of all, any 80s babies, 90s kids. I was born in the 80s, so then I was a 90s kid, but so I'm right on the cusp of these little Rubik's cubes. This is apparently a very important part of the book. So I love the nostalgia factor. How freaking cute is this, that this is included? I love it. Thank you. All right. Ooh, what's this? Nuh-uh. I got a portable gaming system with Galaga on it. What? Look at that. That's so cool. I am going to assume this is also part of the book, as I do know a little bit about the book. Is the guy works at an arcade / diner. So this is some really, really cool merch to add in this little box. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, we have our little pamphlet with the guy on there. He looks like he's about to save the universe. And oh, who do we have there? We have Mr. JN Chaney. So in here, you can kind of see where to find more info. 1-800-starship.com, jnchaney.com, variantpublications.com. And that just tells you all the information that you need to know. And here's the best part. Oh, wait. Oh, there's another part in here too. But first, I gotta show you. Here is the book. Look at that, 1-800 Starship. Oh, let's give it a smell. I bet it smells delicious. Man, I really love books, and like they make digital books, but none of them are as good as paper books because you just get the smell and that feel. So this is the book. It is, let's see how many pages. It is 470 pages. And I do like how it has the colors and the rockets and the little chapters. How cute. Sorry about that. We had a little interruption from a little dog over here. I just wanted to start barking. Probably because he's excited about this book too. But so I was showing y'all, look, it has rockets on there for the different chapters and the colors, so that just adds to the experience. I'm really excited to start reading this book, 1-800 Starship, and then I get to save the universe. That's really freaking cool. So there's two more little things in here, which is probably not a big deal to a lot of people, but to me, I love stickers. So I saw these, I'm so excited about these. Look at oh, this is so cool. Go. All right, so anyway, we have this. It's a sandwich. It says, and you're sure this won't kill me? That looks like a pretty good sandwich. And we have, oh, an alien with a hot dog in his mouth. That's quite interesting. It says, it was my dad's band logo. That's great. So, if you guys want this, you can find it on Amazon. And like I said, jnchaney.com. Go 1-800-STARSHIP and get you your own little book so you can start saving the universe as well.